Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable out of office mode on Fiverr. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Fiverr application. Once you open Fiverr, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. And here you can see under the selling, you can see the tab of availability. Click on that. And here you can see the option of out of office mode. You simply need to check that, and here you can select the reason why you want to. You can select I am overbooked, I will be back soon, I am on vacation. You can select any, and you can select the duration and suppose like that up until 20 January. Then you need to click on OK, and then you need to click on apply. Once you done that, then your all gigs will not be appeared in search result. So this is a process by which you can turn on out of office mode on Fiverr. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.